Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to discuss class 10 maths chapter 2 polynomial. One of the important method we are going to discuss to find g of x, that is divisor polynomial. Okay, I have already written question on board. Let's take reference from that. Class 10 maths unit 2 polynomial. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by gx, quotient and remainder are x minus 2 is our quotient and minus 2x plus 4 is our remainder, respectively. Find g of x. Okay students, now first of all we are going to discuss with the formula, which is very important. Our first step will be dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, symbolically which can be represented p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Okay, again students, this is one of the important steps to be remembered, or one of the important formula of chapter polynomial. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Symbolically it is written as p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Students, here we have to find g of x. Therefore, the expression should be in a form of g of x. Therefore, g of x equal to p of x here plus r of x. Therefore, we are converted into LHS, therefore minus r of x, and should be divided by q of x. Now students, we have derived the formula for g of x. Here again repeating, g of x equal to p of x, that is dividend polynomial, minus r of x, that is remainder polynomial, divided by q of x. Now students, in exams we have to use this. You can use this formula directly also. G of x, that is our divisor polynomial, equal to p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. Now students, we have to check one by one. What is p of x? P of x equal to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Okay, next step will be q of x. Q of x quotient is x minus 2. Okay, r of x, that is remainder, minus 2x plus 4. Okay students, we have classified once more. P of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Q of x is x minus 2. R of x is minus 2x plus 4. Now we are inputting our formula g of x equal to p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. Now student, we are just inputting the values of p of x. What is the value of p of x? X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus r of x. What is r of x? That is the remainder polynomial. Already we have value of r of x minus 2x plus 4 divided by q of x. Q of x is x minus 2. X cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Now removing the bracket, we get plus 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. Okay students, now simplifying, x cube minus 3x square, x plus 2x will be 3x, 2 minus 4 will be minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Okay, last step to be performed to find g of x. It will be long division. X cube, we are taking reference from previous step, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. This step is for long division, which we are doing to find g of x. Okay, x minus 2. We are performing long division. we should think that with which term we should multiply x in order to obtain x cube. Answer is x square. X cube minus 2x square. Now it's time to change the sign. Minus plus 0 minus x square plus x. Okay, again we have to multiply with x minus x in order to obtain minus x square. Minus 2 into minus x will be 2x. Changing sign, plus minus, here 0, here x minus 2. Final step, plus 1, x 1s are x, minus 2 into 1, minus 2. Changing sign. Okay, ultimately our remainder is 0, 0. And finally g of x equal to x square minus x plus 1. Okay students, we are repeating this once more. First students, we have derived the formula dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. P of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x, which is our main formula for dividend. Now I have derived g of x. G of x is our divisor polynomial, p of x. Here it is plus r of x. Here it is plus r of x, which is on RHS side I have converted in. On LHS side, p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. Now I have classified step by step what is our p of x. P of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2. Next q of x, it is our quotient polynomial, it is x minus 2. R of x, that is remainder polynomial, is minus 2x plus 4. Now I have taken reference for our formula g of x equal to p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. P of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 minus 2x plus 4 divided by x minus 2. Now removing the bracket, x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 plus 2x minus 4 divided by x minus 2. These two terms are x plus 2x are like terms, other terms x cube, there is no term for x cube. Okay, there is also no term for minus 3x square, but x plus 2x will give us 3x. 2 minus 4 will give us minus 2 divided by x minus 2. Now last step to find g of x using long division. Okay, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 will give us final answer of g of x square minus x plus 1. Now students, one more question I am delivering you to have a better explanation of same method. Okay students, now we are moving to our next question with the same method. On dividing 3x cube plus 10x square minus 14x plus 9 by g of x, quotient and remainder are x square plus 4x minus 2 and 5 respectively. Find g of x. Students, first of all we will again revise our formula. Dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, symbolically which can be written as p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Now we are trying to derive g of x, therefore g of x equal to p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. R of x was on RHS side, I have taken it on LHS side, therefore g of x equal to p of x. Deducting r of x from p of x minus r of x divided by q of x is our main important identity. Now we are classifying each and every topic. Here p of x equal to 3x cube plus 10x square minus 14x plus 9. Q of x equal to quotient is given. Q of x is x square plus 4x minus 2, x square plus 4x minus 2. Remainder that is r of x equal to remainder is 5. Here already word respectively is written, so we should check the order of words. First word is quotient, therefore x square plus 4x minus 2. Second word is remainder, which is 5. So I have classified p of x, that is 3x cube plus 10x square minus 14x plus 9. Q of x, that is x square plus 4x minus 2. R of x is 5. Now g of x equal to p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. P of x and r of x, and our formula of g of x equal to p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. P of x 3x cube plus 10x square minus 14x plus 9 minus r of x. What is our r of x? Is 5 divided by q of x is x square plus 4x minus 2. Here there is no like term for 3x cube, no like term for 10x square, no like term for minus 14x, just 9 minus 5 will give us 3x cube plus 10x square minus 14x plus 4 divided by x square plus 4x minus 2. Now last step will be long division. To find, ultimately we are going to find g of x using long division. 3x cube plus 10x square minus 14x plus 4 divided by x square plus 4x minus 2 using long division. First of all, we should think that with which term we should multiply x square to obtain 3x cube will be 3x cube plus 4x into 3x give us 12x square minus 6x, changing sign minus plus 0 minus 2x square minus 8x plus 4, again here minus 2 minus 2x square, 4x into minus 2 will give us minus 8x, here plus 4. Now it's time to change the sign, plus minus 0 0 0. Therefore, g of x equal to 3x minus 2. Okay, we have finished our sum. So students, now we are moving to next question. On dividing x square plus 10x plus 21 by g of x, quotient and remainder are x plus 8 and 5 respectively, find g of x. Students, it is one of important topic we are discussing, which we are discussing. Our first step will be dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Symbolically we are writing p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Therefore g of x equal to p of x minus, taking r of x on RHS, we get g of x equal to p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. Now students, second step, in our second step, g of x equal to, what is the value of p of x? X square plus 10x plus 21 is the px, x square plus 10x plus 21 minus, student, r of x. R of x is our remainder, which is 5, subtracting 5, divided by q of x, quotient is x plus 8, x square plus 10x plus 21 minus 5 equal to 16 divided by x plus 8. Our last step is long division. We are performing long division in order to find our g of x. Long division in order to find g of x. X square plus 10x plus 16 divided by x plus 8 Here with which term we should multiply x in order to obtain x square is x. 8 into x, 8x minus 0, 2x plus 16, again here 2 into x, 2x, 8 into 2 equal to 16, sign change, minus 0, 0. Therefore, g of x equal to x plus 2. Students, here we concluded our sum. Okay students, now we are moving to next question, question number 10. On dividing x cube plus 7x square plus 14x plus 1 by g of x, which is our divisor, quotient and remainder are x square plus 4x. Students, I am here paying attention. X square plus 4x is quotient and minus 5 is our remainder, because I have written the word respectively. So you should pick up the word order. Quotient is x square plus 4x plus 2 and remainder is minus 5 respectively. Find g of x. Okay student, our first step is dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Symbolically we are presenting it as follows: p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Therefore g of x equal to p of x minus r of x divided by q of x. Student, here we have derived our g of x. G of x is divisor polynomial equal to dividend polynomial minus remainder polynomial divided by q of x. Now in step 2 we are installing the values of g of x equal to p of x is x cube plus 7x square plus 14x plus 1 minus r of x is minus 5 divided by q of x. Q of x is x square plus 4x plus 2. It is q of x, it is r of x. X square plus 4x plus 2, x cube plus 7x square plus 14x plus 1 minus plus divided by x square plus 4x plus 2. Now there is no like term for x cube, no like term for 7x square, no like term for 14x, just there are two constant. Adding these two constant, x cube plus 7x square plus 14x plus 6 divided by x square plus 4x plus 2. Okay, our last step is to perform long division in order to find g of x. X cube plus 7x square plus 14x plus 6 divided by x square plus 4x plus 2 gives, we should think that with which term we should multiply x square in order to obtain x cube. Answer is x. Here x cube plus 4x square plus 2x. Now changing sign, minus 0. 7x square minus 4x square will be 3x square plus 12x plus 6. We have brought 6 on downside, carried. Now we are multiplying with 3 in order to obtain 3x square plus 12x plus 6. Now changing sign, minus 0, 0, 0. Therefore g of x equal to x plus 3. Student, we have successfully completed this sum.